Okay.
Right. I'm Bharat Bhushan, representing an organization called Center for Action Research and People's Development from Hyderabad, India. Attending this strength-based conference is an excellent experience. It's my first time that I am participating in a conference and interacting with lots of people from all over the world. It gave us an opportunity to look at our own work in a different perspective, to find out the strengths in our own work, how our activities over the years have been effective, and for what helped them to be effective, what are the factors that contribute to their success, and how we can build on our own strengths and move on step by step from small to very big, small issues to larger issues, with smaller groups to bigger issues, from village level to national kind of things. Some of the things which we also shared here, our own advocacy experiences against forced hysterectomies, forcing women to lose their wombs just because some private doctors want to make money, which was discovered as a shocking experience in one village, slowly led over a period of time in 6 years to a national campaign forcing government to comply with medical ethics. Now it's a big issue, and looking at that experience and sharing with friends here, we also see what contributed to this success, which moved from one village to all over India now, where women who were silent sufferers at one point of time are now the voice of the women across the country, demanding their right to health, the right to consent, and ethics in medical field.
So would you say that you got the most out of the presentations, from the informal gatherings and talking with colleagues and friends? Did you like, maybe it was the environment that really brought all this out in you? What do you think was the particularly the highlight for learning the most for you during this conference?
This conference in Dhulikhel is, of course, beautiful, and much more beautiful are the interactions with people we met here. Lots of friends we made, for instance from Sri Lanka, talking about the efforts people are making to overcome conflict and the imprints of violence and pain, the work they are doing in different areas of Sri Lanka. Similarly, we met a lot of friends and had informal interactions after the formal sessions here. Last night we were sitting till almost 1 o'clock in the night in the cold and with fire. It was a great experience talking to friends and sharing lots of common interests, and also some action plans for future also have emerged. Some forums like the Mental Health Forum, International Consortium, is one of the also outcomes, and there are many undocumented which are still in the informal stages.
Thank you very much for your time. We hope to see you at the next conference.
Sure, I would love to be.
Okay.